everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today I'm going to show you how to change shipping address on GOAT. So let's get into the video. So if you want to change the shipping address for an item, especially if you've already placed the order, so what happens is when you get to your profile here, so click on your profile here. So when you get to your profile option here, so under shipping addresses, this is where you will see your shipping address. So this is your current shipping address. So if you want to change this address to something especially for an order that you have already placed, so you can see that unfortunately there is no way that GOAT allows you to change this address. So I would suggest the best possible way to fix this address change issue is simply go to the orders and then delete and then just cancel that order. So cancel that order and then reorder it with the right shipping address, with the shipping address that you want to change it to. So just reorder it. So this will be a quickest way. But if you don't want to do this, then what you have to do is simply just have to contact the support team and then try to get them fix it for you. But this might take some bit of time and effort. But the easiest one I would suggest is simply just cancel it and then reorder it. So when you reorder it, you can always add a new shipping address, as you know, so which might be a better option. So I hope this information is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.